Want this? Let's start editing. Ready your clips. Durations are displayed on the screen. Add effect black flash 2 under nightclub. Adjust, speed 70, intensity 5, size 10, and twist, 40. Place the effect on all clips. Add the next clips. On the middle part of the 11th clip, tap the opacity icon and add keyframe, and at the end, adjust to 55. Do the same on the 13th clip. Next, add the lyrics. Use any font and animation. Here I used Satisfy font and text animation fade in and fade out. And place the lyrics on the screen, according to your preference. Add effect white flash under nightclub on the 11th and 13th clip. Next, add the following clips' durations. Now tap the 15th clip, tap the basic icon, select scale, and add keyframe at the beginning, and at the end, adjust to zoom in a little bit the clip. Then add graphies out. Do the same on the other clips, zoom in the last part and add graphies out. Go back to the 15th clip and tap the opacity icon and add keyframe at the middle part of the clip, and at the end part, adjust to 50. Do this on the remaining clips. Add effect white flash under nightclub on the 15th clip. And blur under nightclub on the next clip. Tap the object and select all videos. Tap the adjust and add keyframe at the middle part of the effect, and at the end, adjust the blur and range to 0. Now copy and place the copied effect on every clip. Next, add 1.1 second black photo as the 20th clip. Add the lyrics and text animation fade out. Then add the following video clips' durations. Go back to the 21st clip and use the basic scale to zoom in the first part of the video clip. Then add graphies out. Same steps on every clip. Now use the opacity and keyframes to create fade-out effect to all the clips. And then add the same effects that were used earlier. And last, the 26th clip, add the missing signal from the library. Trim the missing signal clip, duration, 0.5 second. When finished, export the project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up to support the channel and help others discover this content.
I got gifts but 1 subscribers. Thanks for the candy basket. Oh, got another jacket. My stocking's filled with acid. Am I dreaming? What just happened?